Welcome. In front of me I have Microsoft Surface Laptop Go, and today I will show you how we can change app permissions. So we have to go for the settings, pick privacy, and then you can find app permissions right here. So we get location, camera, microphone, or other stuff. If you want to change, for example, the microphone permission, if you want to enable or disable microphone permission, click through change, and as you can see here, we can disable the access to the microphone for this device or enable, just like that. And as you can see here, we can also make it so we can allow apps to access our microphone, and also we can, but let me turn it on, and also we can change this option here, so for the exact application. Oh wait, didn't change it? I did. So when we tap on the switcher, we can adjust permission for every app that we have. For example, for the camera, for Skype, voice recorder, you have to tap on the switcher just like that if you want to get rid of the permission for that option. And that's how we can adjust permissions for apps in this device. If you find this very useful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.